Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Nigel D'Souza and I'm not a professional makeup and hair artist. I don't do makeup and hair for brides, shoots, special events, or take one-on-one grooming classes. But she does.
Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Minelli Koilo and you guys know I am a professional makeup and hair artist and you know everything that I do with regards to makeup and hair. Today I have a very special guest here on this video for you and it is my dear darling husband Captain Nigel Rai D'Souza who will be doing my makeup today. Also, I asked you guys on Insta stories what you wanted him to do, what look you wanted him to do, and a lot of you suggested a smoky eye.
Yeah, almost 20 of you all, so smoky eye it
So,
is.
smoky eye it is with,
So I'm going to do a bit of a brown smoky eye.
no, with winged liner.
with winged liner.
Let us not forget that.
Winged liner, especially for Annabelle. I'm looking right at you. So to begin, we are going to start by moisturizing Minelli's face with what is this? Fix Plus.
Yes.
It says Prep Plus Prime. It's fun to spray your face with something.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Oh, I locked it. Sorry.
Okay, we wait for it to dry.
Yeah.
Okay.
So next, to cover her pores, we're going to use Professional. I got you this, no?
Yes. Thank you, Nigel.
Dubai Duty.
He has to mention the gifts he brings.
Of course, then what? Okay.
According to him, we put primer because before the painting you need primer.
You put lambi, you know, before you paint the house.
Lambi.
So this is the lambi of
Just
the skin.
waiting for benefit to
Benefit lambi. Skin lambi. Okay, take your fingers and nicely work the skin lambi in so that there are no holes or
Holes.
You know. Why is it on your eyelash?
Because you put it like that.
Okay. So now that we've got the lambi in, we can go in and do our. So even lambi, you know, when you put lambi on the wall, it has to match the shade of this. So we're gonna get.
We're gonna
We're
get.
gonna do away with her pigmentation.
Okay.
So to do that, we need two things. One is we need foundation, of course. Fenty Beauty
Yes.
255 Pro Filter Foundation, and you know where's the color corrector?
I don't know. I think it's here. Where is it? Shit. I should not be telling him these things.
So this is orange corrector. You know, I wanted to look like a pro, so I went for the Krylin D34 Derma Color Camouflage range. I have no idea what that means, but sure, interesting. Then we take a sponge. I've been told it's not a beauty blender, but
It is a beauty sponge.
it's a beauty sponge.
By PAC.
It's not like close-up का Colgate देना या पर्क वाला Cadbury देना.
Perk, Cadbury, Colgate, you all can start
Which
selling
side do
your
I
stuff
use?
now. You can use any side you like.
Shit. My plan has failed.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, that looks nice. Now that we're done with that, we need to do your eyes.
Okay.
Actually, shit, I should have done your eyes before, right? Because now the fallout's going to be on the.
Again, I just love the fact that someone's paying attention but not following at all.
Yes. Okay, how do I do your eyes now? Oh yeah, we got to do the eyeshadow, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna go with her most prized palette. Now she's putting it in my hands, which is not a very wise thing to do. And it has so many shades. And I am going to go with Hot to Trot, right?
Okay.
This brown shade. Why? Because it's the most used shade on a palette. That means it's the safest choice.
Okay. So we're doing a brown smoky
We're
eye.
doing a brown halo eye. Halo eye. We've got to go in. Oh, here's my dense eyeshadow brush. We're using a, what is this? Color
This is by
Bar.
ProArt.
No, ProArt. Yeah, it's a ProArt.
But the name has been, it's a very
219E.
old brush, but nonetheless it's by ProArt.
So I'm gonna take some shadow. I don't know. Should we do that?
Impressive.
I think I mixed it with some other colors over there. And just put it on the outside of the eye. All the way up here. Leave the center a little hollow. And then we are going to go to the inside of the eye. Shit, it's coming better than I expected. Although it looks like a very sharp line here. Okay, I think you got some like eyeshadow in the corner of your eye. How do I take it out?
I can't tell you.
Once again, open your eye.
That you can't blow. Kaise makeup artist is blowing my eye. If someone, again, I'm saying if someone's learning makeup from this, please don't blow
First of
your
all, you
client's
shouldn't be
face.
learning makeup from this. Okay, now we're going to go with some golden shades in the
Okay.
center, but I don't seem to like the golden shade on that. Okay, there's a nice golden shade here. There's rose gold, and this is the Smashbox Blaze palette. It's a palette I would recommend
Oh.
that you get. It's a good palette. It's a good
Okay.
palette. See how much she's used? Like all of it. Shit, which shade do I use? This is gold, right? I'm just gonna take it on my finger. Just gonna apply it here in the middle. Just blend it. This is the Heavy Metals, Urban Decay Heavy Metals, what?
Glitter liner.
Glitter liner, but what's the shade?
Midnight cow.
Midnight Cowboy. So I'm gonna take some Midnight Cowboy and just gonna place it here for that pop. Okay, so next we've got to highlight and contour. So this is her favorite palette, although you know I like this more. We just did a review on it. We just did a
Tell them
whole
the
face of
name.
makeup. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio. Seems pretty nice, so I'm going to use this. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a highlight brush, a fluffy brush, small fluffy brush, and I am going to place this on her. Is that enough? Maybe need to put more. Maybe more. Okay. Put it on the top of her eyelids over here. Eyebrow. Brow bone. Can you turn this side? Thank you. Wow, look at the highlight on the brow bone. She looks very interested. Whoa. Although I think she's going to be horrified when she looks at it. Okay. You got some, I don't know what. You got something? Okay, I'm going to put some here on the tip of her nose. And we're going to put some on her cheeks here. Oh yeah. So, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to contour. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to take some of that brown stuff and I'm going to contour my wife's face. So it just makes her look a lot more interesting. Look like she has a very sharp jawline. Oh yeah. Contour. Fish face. Man, I'm telling a makeup artist.
I'm a client. I don't know anything. You are
Acha,
pretending.
oh,
That's why I hired you.
Simulation. Turn this side. Me know. Little more this side, sweetheart. Yes. Very nice. Okay. Little on your nose now. Do fish face.
Why do I have to do for the
Because
nose?
because it's all connected, sweetheart.
Okay.
Yeah. Chusky. Winged eyeliner.
Oh my god.
So
Okay.
for the winged eyeliner,
Thankfully, I have to close my eyes for that.
we're gonna go in with
Maybelline Hypergloss.
Maybelline Hyper Glossy and
Nothing is written on that.
nothing is written on that. I'm trying to search for it, but
Oh.
I need to reposition myself for this.
I like how you could go on the sofa
Okay.
and on your knees to put.
Can you turn around, please? Finish, love.
Just stand and sit in that position. Yeah. Oh my god.
I think I'm gonna drop things here. Sorry, I think I've destroyed your eyeliner. Wait, no, that has to be extra extended a little.
Acha.
That is the aircraft is going like this. Face is about to take off. And then I'm going to go with
Okay, now I'm really scared.
some kajal. She's very scared, so I'm going to put it like 2 centimeters lower than where it should be.
Okay.
Don't move me, no? I want pokey eye. I
Idol.
love you. Remember, I love you. And even if I
Okay.
do pokey eye, remember, I love you
No.
even more. Okay, we're going to go in with some kajal. Lipstick. Oh no, there's blush. Blush is left.
You
Blush
selected
is
he selected
there.
an entire palette.
So,
yeah.
she was trying to, con me and give me like one shade of blush. Not gonna work.
Okay. So he's got the whole Krylon
Now I got
palette.
the whole Krylon palette.
Sadly, 2 shades just fell off. But yeah.
Those are my favorite shades. Oh crap.
That's okay. Now you show them the other
So
ones.
this is what's left. But okay, now these are pink shades. So
It's okay.
I think I'll go with this shade.
Okay.
That's gonna look a lot. So I take this brush and put some R6 from the
Krylon palette.
Krylon. Wow,
It's very pigmented, huh? Be careful.
very pigmented. So I'm gonna do what Meenu does. Put some here. Oh, shit, you look like you're in that 5th standard school play, no, where the mothers put so much of rouge on the
Not rouge.
cheeks.
Lipstick.
Lipstick on the cheeks. Yeah, she looks like that. She looks like Mera Naam Jokzar. It's okay, sorry.
Very unsettling feeling that your makeup artist is telling you that you look like a clown.
Hey,
No.
next thing is the okay, we're gonna go with lipstick next. So lipstick we're going
sure
with
you wanna go with red?
Maybelline. Yeah, of course. Why? What do you want?
No.
Maybelline Stay Face Red,
Yeah.
691, and it's some limited edition shade. And here we go. Ooh, and
How?
Meenu, I'm not painting your tongue.
I don't. What?
Do lipstick face. You put your lipstick like that? Correct. Like that. Like you're coming in to smooth somebody.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so her lips are ready, and I think this is the final look, guys.
Okay, now I want to see. Can I see?
Okay, yeah. you
They're
can.
all done.
What's left?
Think what's left.
Am I missing something?
You had asked me to take out one more product.
Ah! Yes! How can I
How
not?
matter?
Fixing spray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take
I like
This.
that you know the. Okay,
And I'm
I'll
gonna hold it
hold
in front.
I'll hold it.
Smashbox, please sponsor us. See this?
Yeah, but the amount. There's one more.
Oh yeah. Urban Decay, also you, please sponsor us. बस सच में यार थोड़ा तो दे दो यार प्रोडक्ट क्या है ये? Wow, this smells like fart. How do you tolerate-
sponsoring us? Yeah, but it does smell really bad.
But
yeah.
it's damn
Smells like
nice.
Bad bananas.
I think you're.
But it is a good product.
I think. Oh wow. I don't think you've done such good makeup yourself, if I may say so.
Okay. Okay. I'm really scared
Maybe
now.
sit in the frame a little more.
Okay. Now I open.
Yeah, I think you're in the frame. Go ahead. Wait, look at this face. Look.
Oh my god! They can see. They've seen it.
You got lipstick on your teeth. What are people going to think?
Because you.
Wait, let me
Put
let
so
me,
much-
let me
no.
rub that out. Like I was
It's not-
rubbing everything else. See,
Dude, but your liner is pretty symmetric, man.
I told you. I'm a pilot, winglet eyeliner.
That's- And the smoky. The glitter and
Smoky
all
eye
is
looks
not
like
bad.
it's a chain smoker.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah, but I think this is a really good attempt.
Thank you.
Maybe the lipstick really could just like go, but other than that, I think it's really nice. Thank
Yeah,
you.
you really do.
Thank you for coming on my channel.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me on your channel. I don't have a channel. I used to have a blog, but it's dead. But yeah, it's fun. It's fun always doing makeup with you, filming your videos.
Thank you.
I
So
like
sweet.
to see your passion for makeup, and it's a lot harder than it looks. Trust me.
But
It
good
is
job.
a lot harder
Not
than
bad.
it looks.
Not bad.
Um,
Really good job. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Really hope you liked it. Really hope you enjoyed. Really hope you had a good laugh, because I think that's something that we all need in the times today. And yeah, thanks, Nigel.
Thank you. You're
Please send us any requests if you want him to come again. I think that would be fun.
welcome. More winged eyeliner.
Anyway, guys, see
Thank
you
you very
soon.
much.
Thank you so much for watching.
Like, share, subscribe, and if you're
Comment
on
below.
Instagram,
Please comment below.
please comment and share it to your stories. Please help us spread the word about her channel. And if you're on YouTube, of course, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Until next time.
Stay tuned. Bye, guys.